How about her timing with the blinker was really good. And then at the light, you'll make a right turn. Her speed control on the ramp is really good. Good job. Nice. I like how you're controlling the car. Good job. Going slow, first lane to the right. Keep it short. Good. You're fine. Go ahead and drive. It's pretty good. And go ahead and get over one lane to the left. Good. Nice blind spot checks. Good job. Check your speed. Make sure you're aware. Go straight. In some communities, they're really strict on speed. So we're done with the freeway part. The mergers were nice. Pretty good speed control now. We're on surface streets. 30, 35 miles an hour. Traffic lights, pavement markings. Excellent speed control. This is where police usually are because people coming off expressway are doing 45 and 50 and the speed limit's 35. At the traffic light, you're going to make a left turn. You are driving so good. Her timing was good, getting into the broken line. Good. Squeeze that brake. You want to stay behind the stop line. You'll pick up a minus if you go past. Nice job. You're driving better than the last time. More consistent. Yeah, more relaxed, more confident. I really like that. That's what I want to see. So this is a protected turn. You'll have a blinking yellow. If it's clear, you go. If you don't feel comfortable, you wait. Then you'll have a green turning arrow. I want you to make that decision. The cone should be up where you practiced before. We'll go over there and you'll be able to really focus in on the parking aspect. And once you nail that consistently, which I know you will, we'll get out, drive through neighborhoods, make some more right turns, left turns.
Okay.
You're doing great. I wanted to say something, but I'm not. I'm truly letting her make the decision. That's important. I like your patience. Double yellow. Proceed straight. Good. I want you to get over one lane to the left, and at this light, I need you to make a left turn. So I really want to see good maneuverability, good approaches. Nice job. Good. Squeeze those brakes. And now she's watching traffic right here. Take your time. I'm not going to tell you when to go. I want to see you do it so you have the confidence. Amen. Good. Good job. Really nice. Good. At that light, you're going to have to make a left turn. You're driving very clean right now. Minimal errors. Keep it up. Good speed control. Good observation. Nice timing. Doing a really good job. She's waiting appropriately to get in where this is open. You go up to an intersection, and again, you go in slow and make a really nice turn. Look where you want to go. Nice job. Good. Go straight. Note the speed limit here. This is another area where there's a lot of law enforcement. They use radar. People go double the speed limit, so they will switch up the areas. So now we're back in a industrial/residential. Keep it up. You're doing great. The cones, they're up. Yay! You're going to be so prepared. So prepared. So excited for you. So excited. Good. At this street right here. Go in. Nice. Squeeze those brakes. Go in slow. Good. Make that left turn in and make a right turn. Right here. Go in slow. Stay to your side. Turn that wheel. Turn it. Yes. Good turn. Turn out slow. Amen. Okay. You're going down to the testing area. I will get out. And I'll just have you roll your driver's side window so I can give you instructions. In fact, I'm going to get out and go up more. And I'm going to stop right here. Good. Go ahead, put it in park. Good. Get out. Yes, roll down. Just a little bit. Good, good. Right about there. And I'll get out. Go past the yellow line. Get up close as you can without going over the yellow line. Good. Go ahead, put it in park. Good job. You're not past the yellow line. The car is past the broken white line. Good job.
Okay.
Next, you got the reverse park. Remember, you can look out your window. You can raise your butt off the seat. Take your time. Cover your brakes. Go slow. You're doing so good. I like your back end speed. Double check. Look out your back window so you don't go over the and hit the stick.
I don't know if I'm far enough. Okay.
Nice job. Go ahead and put it in park. It was a good job. Your car is centered on the left. Now I'm going to walk around. Your car is centered on the right.
Okay.
Let's get this parallel park. Go get it.
My is? Okay. Ooh. Oh, come for it.
Okay, it is passing most of the cars
It is?
into the barrier. What I want you
Okay.
to do is back us up. I'm going to have you do the whole thing again.
Okay.
We really want to focus on getting this car a little deeper into the barrier to the right. So go
Okay.
ahead, put it in reverse. I'll guide you out. It is passing. I want you in a little deeper. Back up more. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. And stop. Put it in drive. Cut that wheel to the left. Let's do this whole thing all over again. Yep. Go ahead, roll out really slow. Keep going. Keep going. And stop. Go ahead, cut it back the opposite direction so you can get out. Yep. Don't be scared to turn that wheel. Keep going. Keep turning.